Hello everyone, my name is Bích Cao and I would like to discuss my research in security and privacy. In a world increasingly interconnected through technology, the role of IT professionals has become paramount in safeguarding data privacy and security. Today, we will explore the challenges in IT professionals face in protecting sensitive information from security threats. Data privacy and security have emerged as critical concerns in today's digital age as organizations and individuals grapple with the growing threats of data breaches, cyber attacks, and regulatory compliance. IT professionals are responsible for safeguarding sensitive data, which presents several challenges in making sure data privacy and security. Today, I will talk about the challenges of data security and privacy in biobanking and cloud computing, as well as some IT solutions to those problems. IT professionals have always grappled with the topic of privacy and security. With the rise of smart technologies and given the seemingly ever-increasing impact of security and privacy on society, from automated driving to electronic voting, this subject becomes even more relevant. So, how does one choose between security and privacy? Can we choose both? What are the trade-offs among security and privacy? In the article Security or Privacy, Can You Have Both? A group of IT experts provided a unique point of view on these complex issues. Matt Bischoff, one of the experts, found that the data privacy is the ability to control who sees the data and what they can do with the data. Matt Bishop also found that security and privacy depends on our definitions, where security is defined by a security policy and the policy is different to the different people. Bishop's security policy says privacy is a variant of originator's access control, with the originator being the subject of the data, who may or may not be the person generating or curating the data. We can achieve both security and privacy in our applications. Traditional framing on the tension between security and privacy is counterproductive when discussing data privacy in the digital age. Privacy is a normative choice based on societal values, whereas security is an objective exercise. Some aspects of data privacy policy may align with security policy, while others may not. In cases where there is overlap, cybersecurity controls are suitable for enforcing the corresponding part of data privacy policy. As an IT professional, one should consider controls when working with privacy and security. While professionals cannot completely guarantee compliance, the technology can be highly effective for those willing to cooperate. Numerous other challenges that are caused by security vulnerabilities in biobanking. In some cases, these have resulted in unauthorized third parties misappropriating user data. Some of these challenges can be prevented when applications are developed with a clear security model. Here are some solutions. Biobanking often faces challenges related to privacy and security. Johnson and Smartikov from privacy-preserving data exploration in genome-wide association studies article provided a framework that researchers can leveraged to identify regions of interest within the genome without requiring knowledge of individual genetic details. Dr. Mustafa Kanim, a research scientist of Meta Reality Labs, and his partners also found another viable method by utilizing encryption techniques to safeguard genomic data. In banking, information technology requires a strong emphasis on three key areas: authentication, authorization, and auditing. These aspects are vital for maintaining the security and integrity of data in the biobanking environment. Authentication refers to verifying the identities of users and systems accessing the data. Having a strong password and using two-factor authentication is a highly effective method for enhancing authentication security. In addition to the traditional password, two-factor authentication requires an additional verification step, such as a unique code sent to the user's mobile device, biometric data, or a physical token. In authorization involves granting appropriate access privileges based on the roles and permissions. One of the methods for ensuring authorization in these domains is known as role-based access control. Role-based access control is a widely used set of mechanisms for managing authorization. Another solution that is more secure, that is, low-level restrictions can be implemented, with the system automatically filtering out any information pertaining to the researcher to address these issues. Finally, in auditing ensures that all activities within the system are logged and traceable for accountability and forensic purposes. Solution to secure this is to compliance requirements such as the HIPAA privacy rule, which require logging on access to sensitive patient data. Now we go to cloud computing. So how about cloud computing? What are concerns and there for us to be aware of when it comes to privacy and security? In data security and privacy in cloud computing, the researcher determined that cloud computing offers convenient access to a shared pool of customizable computing resources. IT professionals should address the challenges of this domain so that cloud computing can be more adaptable. Data privacy, data integrity, and data availability. Data integrity. Data integrity challenges refer to accuracy, consistency, and reliability of data throughout its life cycle. It ensures that data remains unchanged, complete, and valid from creation to storage and retrieval. Solution for this is that the ACID, which are atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability properties to ensure data integrity. One could achieve this with a single database in a standalone system by having a set of data constraints and transactions that is managed by a database management system. For data privacy, attackers will try to gain unauthorized access to data or disrupt the interests of other users. A solution for this is that we can check the proof of ownership to check the authentication of the cloud users. To prevent denial of service attacks, we can integrate the cloud services in a way that is accounted for trusted computing platform and trusted platform support services to create a trusted model with the ability to create trust domain dynamically. For data availability, that there are some challenges that we should be considering when implementing. Data availability is the ability to use or recovering user data in the event of an accident or failure, such as hardware damage or network issues, and is referred to as a data availability report. It's a solution that we could use to ensure factual causal consistency and eventual consistency. SPORC by Feldman is another option that we could use. SPORC enables secure and dependable real-time communication and collaboration among multiple users using a trusted cloud environment, ensuring that untrusted cloud servers can only access encrypted data. As a result, IT professionals face numerous challenges in ensuring data privacy and security, particularly in areas like biobanking and cloud computing. Compliance with privacy regulations, ethical considerations, and the complexities of managing and securing cloud data are among the key challenges. These considerations extend beyond biobanking and cloud computing to various domains. Effective strategies for protecting data privacy and security require collaborative efforts among IT professionals. Thank you for your listening.